Alrighty, so here we are. As you can read in the title, I'm going to be trying on all of my clothes and deciding which of them to give away, mend, or keep. I guess that is the third option, is I just keep it. I do like my wardrobe a lot, and this is why it's taken me so long to do this, because I'm like, no, I like all of my clothes, and I do like all of my clothes. The problem is that I don't like all of my clothes on me, or they don't suit the style that I'm currently trying to go for. I have this problem where, and this happens to me a lot in stores too, where I like a lot of clothes, like I'm happy that they exist. So I'm like, oh, I'd like to own this because it's just such a cool piece, but it's not something that I actually want to wear. I'm just glad that it exists out in the world, if that makes any sense. When you look at it, it doesn't actually seem that bad. It's not that tall, but it is a lot of clothes. I have a walk-in closet over here, and my side of it is completely full, and I don't wear most of it anymore. So it's time. I already have a few things in there that I want to mend that don't fit me anymore, but I love so much that I'm willing to alter in order to continue wearing them. And that's the other reason that I need to go through all these things, is that I gained weight during the pandemic and honestly over the last 2 years as a whole, and I'm honestly okay with that, but like anybody else with societal pressures, when I wear my old clothes that don't quite fit me anymore, I feel like I'm not fitting the clothes as opposed to the clothes not fitting me, and I don't like that because I really try hard not to have that mentality. So it's time to get rid of those things or alter them so that they fit me, because I have started buying things that do fit me really well, and I'm like, wow, I genuinely don't care that there's a little bit of extra fat on my body, because there's nothing wrong with fat. It protects you. I'm not gonna show you every single piece of clothing because I don't know, I'm just not gonna. Let's get to it. Let's stop stalling any longer and just get it done. So we'll start with this outfit. I like this skirt a lot. It actually does need to be mended. This pleat has come undone a while ago, and also the button in the back is missing. I always just safety pin it, but this is one of my favorite skirts, so I will definitely be keeping this, and I will be mending it. So I need to start a mend pile, which I think I'm just gonna do on the ground because whatever. I'm already having a problem. Technically I can zip this up. I have recently. It's got these big old pockets in the front. I call it my grandma couch skirt because it really reminds me of a grandma's couch, and it's just so cute. I love it so much. So I think it is time for this skirt to go. Okay, this skirt I just wore yesterday, so I know that I like it, but I put it on anyway just to double check. Look at those. And they just, oh. I actually got it from K Collective, which is a Phoenix-based shop that sells like Japanese fashion. They do sell things online, you should definitely check them out. But they sell a lot of secondhand items as well as supporting local artists, so I'm always happy whenever I can support them, but yes, this is a keep. I think I will keep this one. So here's the thing, is I own this skirt in 2 different colors. Red, and then I have it in blue. The blue one needs mending. The elastic like kind of came out of the casing a little bit. These are skirts from Kohl's that I bought probably at least 8 years ago, and I've had them for so long, but they like gave me Liz Lisa vibes at the time, and I was like, oh my gosh, yes. And I feel like they're very versatile. They help me like style similar things in slightly different ways. Yeah, I think I'll keep both. So this is a skirt that I love so much. It's so pretty. It's like a Cinderella print. Now that I have it on, I feel like I want to start wearing it again more often. Okay, so I literally just bought this blouse, so I know that I want to keep it. But it has this super pretty cotton lace around the collar and the sleeves, and it's just so soft, and it's like a velvet shirt. And I live in Phoenix, Arizona, so I'm not gonna get to wear this for a while, but it's just so cute. Now, here's where we start getting difficult. There is this stain right here that I've tried to take out a few times. Can you see it? Yeah. I'm gonna keep it just because I'm not ready to let go of it yet, if I'm honest. And it is still good for layering, but I am still frustrated. So this top, I used to wear all the time to work, but it has these like nice details on the sleeve. Boop. Yeah, this like slight like lettuce sleeve type detail. And I don't know that I'll actually wear this all that often because it's kind of hard to layer because it is thin. Like you can even see the tank top I'm wearing underneath of this. We're gonna put it in the giving away pile for now. This has been a good layering piece for me because again I liked the lace collar, but like it pulls at the bust now and like the sleeves are too short and they're also like too tight. So no, this will be a giving away. But wow, it does not close anymore. I mean, it was kind of tight before, but man, I haven't put this on in a long time, which means that I haven't worn it, which means that even though like I almost kind of like this as like a beach, maybe skating look, going to get rid of it because I have other things that I like to wear for skating. So this is one I've actually gone back and forth with a lot each time I wear it because I don't like how much it pulls at the bust, and it doesn't quite fit me as well as it used to. This one is not really a dress, it's a peignoir. But, so I bought this around the time that these were really popular with Lolita fashion because I thought that I could wear it with that. And it's so pretty. Like the detailing around the top here is just so nice. Have I actually worn it outside? No, but maybe I just need to commit to it being like a fun inside piece because I do have some nightgowns that I wear sometimes, like some nice ones. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it. Oh yes, I was so worried that this dress wouldn't fit me anymore, but I bought this for my work had a holiday party it was like old Hollywood themed, so everybody was supposed to be all like glitzed and glam, and I don't really like slim fitting dresses like this. If it didn't fit or if it felt like slightly uncomfortable, I would give it up so that somebody else could enjoy it. But this is the one time when I'm like, waiting for an occasion is okay, because it's just too pretty. So this is like my secondary, slightly nice event dress. I wore this to my dad's wedding. It doesn't really fit anymore. I do really like this lace, this like leafy lace that's over top of it, but I don't love the length. I don't love the cut on me anymore because it doesn't quite fit. Tumblr Hipster 2013, although I got it way after that. But I actually like the length of this. Tight around here, which I don't love. And I think like I'm kind of over this, if I'm honest, so I think this is a get rid of as well. So I think I could do something fun with this, so it's gonna go into the men/alter pile. I've got a real bone to pick with this dress. I get a lot of compliments when I wear it, honestly. It might be my most complimented dress at the moment. I like the fit, I like the style, I like that it's gingham, but I've been called Dorothy so many times in this dress. It's got really big pockets. I just wish the color was not this kind of blue and white. I was gonna say this just gets a pass because there's not a world where I'd give this up, but I do want to alter this because it is an apron and I want to alter it into a dress. So these are the clothes that I decided to give away or sell, which is a much bigger pile than I was anticipating. And these are all the mending clothes. Full disclosure, I haven't finished doing my laundry or hanging up everything yet, but look at this pile. That's crazy. I did not expect to be giving away that many things. My closet feels a lot more refreshed now, even though there's not new things. I feel like I'm not so overwhelmed when looking at my closet of like, what do I even like that's in here? Do you know what I mean? It's all filled with things that I know that I like and enjoy wearing. So now I can donate or sell these things and not feel guilty about filling my closet with more secondhand, slow fashion pieces that I can invest in and feel really proud to own, because before I was like, I already have so many clothes, like should I really be buying more? But now I feel like I can enjoy it again, which I'm really excited about. So I have no idea how long this video is going to be, considering I only filmed part of the process, but really I started filming as a way to motivate myself to start doing this because I've been wanting to do it for weeks, and I was like, you know what, I've seen videos like this and I enjoy watching them, so maybe if I trick my brain into saying it's for content, I'll be able to start doing it, which is exactly what happened. My battery died, I only had so much memory card space left, and I was like, okay, well, I kind of want to keep going, and then I just did, and I finished, and now it just feels good. So I hope that this motivates you to do a similar spring sort of clean out and get rid of the excess things that you no longer need so that somebody else can use them and we can put these things to good use. My hair is a mess from like trying on all of those clothes, but my flowers are kind of dying, but there's a beauty in that, right? I give you yellow flower for a good job that you're doing in life right now, because I think that you're doing great. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. From the stars in the sky, I'm Alex Pinku. Goodbye!